Good morning, Ohayo gozaimasu, Japan. Today is Saturday in the morning. We ate sushi last night. Super miss ko ang sushi. Grab na itech. Super yummy. This is our normal food when you're in Japan. Parang sa Pilipinas lang, everyday is bagoong or ginamos, but here in Japan is sushi. Sometimes nakakaumay, but syonganay. But I always love eating sushi. Lahat ng nakikita nyo, that is all my favorite. Lalo na yung maguro, oh. And especially the crab egg. Oh my G. Paborito ko yan. And this is the grilled salmon. Basta lahat sila masarap, oh. Babalik-balikan nyo talaga. Grabe. Alam kong maraming nakaka-relate sa akin. When in Japan, you need to eat sushi. Di ba? Maraming nakaka-relate. Kahit isang sushi lang, busog ka na. Yung parang hindi ka na makatayo galing sa upuan mo sa sobrang busog mo. Basta sa sobrang dami kong na-order, as in busog talaga. And pati yung mochi rice, super ano siya, sweet, matamis. By the way, sa mga hindi nakakaalam, dango is a Japanese dumpling made with regular rice flour and glutinous rice flour. And they call it kushidango. As in, matamis talaga siya. And lastly, the tempura onion rings, of course. One of my favorite too.